An Air Force helicopter, part of President Emerson Mnangagwa's official fleet, is crashed shortly after departing from a high-profile Mnangagwa Day commemoration event, where the president crowned himself as the king of the Sabc region. The function also doubled as a celebration of Mnangagwa's 82nd birthday. Azvibere Moshe, toona kuti aiwa that helicopter inoinvolvwa in a fatal accident inonzi aiwa it is part of Mnangagwa's fleet. Not about subscribe or like or turn on the bell. Like the helicopter which was leaving the event held at the historic Great Zimbabwe Monument crashed under still unclear circumstances. The identities and conditions of those aboard the aircraft remain unknown at this time, as inquiries by ZimI to establish the details of the passengers have so far been inconclusive. The Mnangagwa Day, a new observance initiated by the ZANU-PF League, was set aside to celebrate Emerson Mnangagwa's birthday and honor his leadership qualities. According to the reports by the state broadcaster Sabc, the day began with a housing project launched before President Mnangagwa officially inaugurated the Mnangagwa Day at the Great Zimbabwe Monument. Pachituko chatinoona kuti aiwa toona kuti this helicopter aiwa inonzi yakatakura mamwe VVIP delegates vamozoti vanga vauya vazocommemorata aiwa the Mnangagwa Day kana kucelebrata birthday remutungamiri wenyika. Patoona kuti pane mashoko arikubuda zvinzi aiwa this helicopter is one of Mnangagwa's fleet, aiwa ndege mahelicopters aanoshandisa pakutravela. Panapa vanhu vanouya chikomenda zvavanoda vachiitira mashoko ekuti aiwa madzinza kana kuti matare haasi kufara nazvo awa zvinhu zviri kuitwa kana matongerwa ari kuitwa nyika yezimbabwe. Vauri kuona kuti aiwa vakutorwiriswa, vamwe vaposa vatsakatika parwendo. Ationa kuti madetails evanhu vanga varipo muthat helicopter asati abudidzwa. Chimodzi mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Pinda comment section medu, musana subscribe or like, don't turn on the bell icon.